How to enable two-step verifications on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on settings. So now we are in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and have different options. Here, there's a section called privacy and security. Simply tap on it. And here there's a button called two-step verification. Simply tap on two-step verification. So basically this is adding another layer to your ID. Now simply tap on set additional password. So this is the place where you can enter a password, and here after you do this you can set it up, and later while you use your account or even log in, you must use it in order to open or use your account. At last, save it and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.